Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legendary Workstation. This is free video training course of CCNA 200-301. In our previous lecture we have discussed about the topic of network component, and today our topic is OSI model. I am 110% sure that you will never forget the OSI model in your life after watching this video lecture. Now question is that why we need to use OSI model. Earlier devices are machine dependent. It means that same type of devices are connected with each other. For example, if we have two laptops to connect with each other, the type of both devices must be same. But if type of one device is different, communication cannot occur. In our example, we uses three devices in which two devices belongs to HP brand and one device is from Dell brand. If we connect both HP devices, connection will be established and no conflict occur because both devices are using same protocols. Now if we want to connect HP device to Dell device, then connection cannot be established because protocol or standards are not matched for communication on different devices. Every brand is using their own type of standard and protocol, so conflict occur here. In order to overcome this problem, computer scientists works on it and they found the solution in shape of OSI model. OSI model is an open standard. It is not property of specific brand. It works with all the brand. It is proposed in 1976 but used as reference model TCP/IP in 1985. It is developed by ISO. ISO stands for International Standard Organization. OSI model contains 7 layers. Layers of OSI model. We are always in confusion that which layer of OSI model is first layer and which layer of OSI model is last layer. We will use two different devices to understand the concept of OSI layer. Let's suppose we connect two different types of devices to each other for communication. So one device works as sender and other works as receiver. Both devices are using OSI model because both devices belongs to different brand. When you are at sender device, then first layer is application layer, and when you are at receiver side, first layer is physical layer. To remember layer names at sender side is all people seems to need data processing. Here all word letter A stand for application layer. People word letter P stand for presentation layer. Seams word letter S stand for session layer. To word letter T stand for transport layer. Need word letter N stand for network layer. Data word letter D stand for data link layer. Processing word letter P stand for physical layer. We will remember the name of OSI layers on sender side from top to bottom, and when we are at receiver side, we will remember the name of OSI layer from bottom to top. Trick to remember the name on receiver side. As we know that we will remember the name of OSI layers on receiver side from bottom to top. So here I use the trick. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. Please word P letter stand for physical letter. Do word D letter stand for data link layer. Not word N letter stand for network layer. Through word T letter stand for transport layer. Sausage S word stand for session layer. Pizza P word stand for presentation layer. away A word, A letter stand for application layer. Application layer, presentation layer and session layers belongs to system softwares, while physical layer, data link layer, network layers belongs to hardware, and transport layer is hard layer between software and hardware. It belongs to software as well as hardware. We have understand that why we use OSI model, and also we understand layers of OSI model. Now we will understand how OSI model works. Let's take example. We have two international companies, Telenor and Jazz. There are 7 employees working in each company. Suppose CEO of Telenor Network Company wants to share confidential file with 4000 pages at earliest possible time to CEO of Jazz Network. CEO of Telenor is Srik Bricky that understand only French language, and file to be shared is also in French language, while CEO of Jazz is Amir Ibrahim. He only knew about Urdu language. Here we see they uses different brands. Conflict occur here and solution is OSI model. Pakiza is very intelligent and beautiful girl, PA to CEO of Telenor. She know both languages. She will convert that file into that format that can be understandable by CEO of Jazz Company. After converting the file, will hand over the file to Shahid for further necessary action with strict instruction for timely submit the file to concerned company. Shahid is very competent and his communication skills are very strong. He will contact to his rank fellow Mr. Shan of Jazz Company and tell him about the file and check whether it is possible to share information or not. If it is possible, then he hand over the file to Tom with instruction of CEO. Tom will check that file is very confidential. He will divide the file into 4 separate portions so that data should be safe and sound. After separating the file into 4 portions, he will hand over the file to Mr. Naeem. He will put the source and destination addresses and also with best route to reach the file to desired location and handed over file to Dawood. Dawood checked that file is very confidential, so he put the stamp on it and forward the file to Mr. Pervez with all instruction. Pervez chooses the best path which is given by Mr. Naeem, forward the file to Dilshad and Dilshad check that the file is sealed and safe and further forward to Nadir. Nadir check the address and forward the file to Talha. Talha open the file, combine the file into one part and forward that file to Mr. Shan. When Shan received file, he will call to Mr. Shahid and acknowledge that file is received safely. Here all need of Jazz Company are done. Now it is responsibility of Mr. Shan to forward this file to its CEO. Session layer of both company has end-to-end communication. Session layer, presentation layer and application layer works with software, while in our previous example transport layer convert the file into segments and network layers make packets and add to and from on the file. Data link layer puts stamp on file. For encryption purpose, data in this layer is in form of frame, and physical layer contain data in forms of on layer of OSI model. Application layers protocols are DNS, SMTP, FTP, POP, HTTP. Presentation layer protocol NDP, NCP, MIDI. Session layer protocol PAP, SMPP, L2F. Transport layer protocol TCP, UDP. Network layer protocol ICMP, IGMP, IGRP, IPv4, IPv6, IPsec. Data link layer protocol Ethernet, FDDI, L2TP, TPP, SLIP. Token ring physical layer protocol Ethernet, FIDI, token ring. I work very hard for you, and I will be very happy to listen to your views about these videos. I will really appreciate your suggestion for improving the quality of video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and also share this video to your timeline and friends. Your appreciation is motivation for me to do more hard work and make everything simple about CCNA 200-301 for you. If you want these slides, then comment your email address below the video. I will share the slide with you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks in advance.